Right, I don't know what happened there. Camera decided to stop working. Right, so the motor's in. We have ball bearing bearings. We can only run these bearings on an Outlaw motor. These are the fastest motors that we have. That's a crazy horse motor. They're powerful, but not as quick as the Outlaw. Outlaw, we can run hard body, styrene bodies, which is what's on my funny car, and Lexan bodies. People tend to keep away from Lexan ones because they don't survive in crashes. I know the idea is not to crash, but when we're doing the speeds that we're doing, it's yeah, it happens. Right, so we have brass collar. It's just the distance. The tyres are quite soft as well, so when they grip, they grip. Slide that through. It lets me slide that through there. Right, before we slide that in there, so you have different size crown wheels as well. That's 56 tooth. Then we have a 58 tooth, and then we have a little diddy one, which I think is a 46. Can't see the numbers on that one, which I'm going to put in this bad boy for now. I'm going to run it on Friday, see if we get any more speed out of it. So, grab a screw for that. Yeah, like I was saying, the hobby's growing quite well, even like on the, you know, the drag side of it. It's going quite well. We've got a few new young members as well, you know, that's good. Encourages the sport, as they say. They're our future, God forbid. No, I'm joking. I moan about Ruben, but you know, he's a good lad, really. He enjoys the racing. It's nice to find something that you both enjoy, you know, like DNA, you know, Sasha and that. They both enjoy the sport, the hobby. Go with it, that's what I say. Go with it. Because it will get to the time when they get old enough and go, don't want to do that anymore. We've all been there. I've been there. So bearings are good. Lovely free rolling. Set crown wheel. Just want it just touching. Not too tight. Same as you guys. I do the roundy round stuff. I was only calling it roundy round. That's what the drag boys call racing. Lovely. And that's basically it. All set, ready to go. Just got to measure that on the car. And that's it. So that goes on the... It's on Camaro. Just like so. Just like in the front there a bit more. Yeah, see how well she goes on Friday night. Yeah. But I will try and put a video up of how we build these chassis as well. I know Dave Slotter might be building one of these, so interesting to see his take on building one. Yeah, so really good. Right, I'll say bye for now. Catch you on the next one.